Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Y'all see me sitting here with my little furry jacket on. It's cold in the Crafty Corner. I should say chilly because it ain't really that cold in here, but it is a little chilly. But listen, we got TEMU haul. And an Amazon box as well. So we're going to open both of these together. We're going to start with the Amazon box. Because y'all know the TEMU bags are always so much fun to open. Alright, so we're going to open the Amazon first. Which was very easy to open. And there's only one thing in here. And these are my big cellophane or shrink wrap bags. These are the ones that come with the ribbon. I got the link from Love Basket Express, Missy Lane. And I need these because I got some big baskets over here that I have to put this in. Alright, so that's how easy the Amazon bag was. It's empty now. Alright, so get you some of these big bags. This came in a set of 50. And if I'm not mistaken, they might have been on sale, but I only paid $11 and some change for those. Alright, now, TEMU. Alright, so we're going to open up the TEMU bag, and I'm going to have to cut this one. Because, y'all know, TEMU bags are hard to tear. So we'll just cut this one open. And we'll all have a look-see at what's inside this TEMU bag. I don't get too carried away though. Okay. Alright, now I ordered some bonnets. This is not the bonnet. Let's see what this is. Thought it was the bonnets, but it's not. Oh, these are my towels, little towels, and these are so soft. All right, so my little towels were $1.98 on TEMU. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Yep. And these little towels will be going into some of my baskets. And the reason I got gray was because the gray ones were all they had. And I think we can make the gray pop a little bit with some things. Alright, now here are the bonnets that I got from TEMU. Sorry about the noise. These are a pretty good size. These are very cute. These will also be going into my gift baskets. And with the bonnets, I got 2 of each color. The bonnets were $1, I think $1.48. And I actually got a price drop refund on those. So there's the burgundy colored ones. It's the blue one, or the More like a teal. Real pretty. Y'all want me to open that? So, these are the bonnets. Very pretty in color. I'm going to put these back in the bag because I don't want them messed up. Alright, so we got the burgundy, teal. Something tells me they messed my colors up because there's another burgundy. And I'm pretty sure I only ordered 2 of each. So my guess is they ran out of the blue and replaced it. Anyway, here's the black one. Here's the other black one. Yep, that's what it looks like they did. They ran out of the teal. Here's another black one. I think somebody just scooped them up and threw them in here. I should have had 2 of these. Well, there's the other teal, so I don't know why I have 3 black, 3 burgundy, 2 teal. That's okay. All right, now, next, we have my washcloths. All right, the washcloths were 77 cents for 5 of them. I believe it's, no, 2, 3, 6, for 12 of them. 77 cents on TEMU for 12 of them. They will be going in my gift baskets, my spa baskets, and then I got 2 of those because they were, like I said, 77 cents. So I have 24 washcloths in the variety of colors, and the colors are fine because they're colors that we can make work for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. All right, so it's purple, pink, and green, and blue. Yeah, the blue ones are buried in there. You can see the blue ones in here. Okay. All right. So we got those. All right. I got some loafahs. TEMU calls them bath balls. But these were in the colors that I needed. And they were 5 for 88 cents. So I ordered 2 packs of those. Okay. Well, everything in here's got its own little wrap. Alright, now I ordered these little handheld mirrors. So that's the white one. Alright. These were originally they were like $1.98, and I ended up only paying 98 cents for these because I got 3 price adjustments on these where they dropped in price. So understand the TEMU prices may go up, and in these I got, I think, 2 of each color. So that was the white one. This is the pink one. I think the other color was red. No, it's a darker pink. I still think I have red in here too. That's that dark pink. This is pink. Colors on the outside, yay. Another white one. Here's the black one. Okay. So that is the black one. And then we have another black one. So all in all, I got the mirrors, 98 cents each. I have 8 of them. And then I just got some filler hearts that I thought were cute, and they're just white hearts. I also got some red hearts. All right, and that will do it for our TEMU basket. Now, for this particular order, you know, I always tell you to do your price adjustments. All right, so for all of this stuff that I just got here, I ended up paying a grand total of, I think, $14 for everything. My credit that I got from my price adjustments was $13. That's what I had in my credit balance. And I'm already building it back up from my other orders that I just placed that I'm waiting on as well. All right, so this haul right here literally was $1 and some change. And that's because of the price adjustments that I've been getting on the orders that I placed with TEMU. So I had a credit of $13 in my credit, little credit account, I guess you will call it, on TEMU. This was like $14.81 for these items. And I used my credit. These are for the basket items, I should say. So there were some other things I got that were just some household things. So the total order, or the total amount that I've had, let me just tell you what the total for the order was. The total for the order was $24 and some change. I got 13 off of that because of my credit balance I had in there for my price adjustments. All right, so 14, I think $15 out of pocket is what I ended up paying. So, you know, not a bad haul for Mother's Day if you think about it. Even if all of this was 24, there's 12 baskets right here. If I use 2 in each basket, then actually that's 24 baskets if I use 1. 12 baskets if I use 2 washcloths each. There's 10 baskets right there. There's 8 baskets right here. Okay, so, you know, this was a good haul, I think. Eight baskets right here. You know, so I'll be able to get a lot done with this haul. So I am happy with that. I can actually make some bigger baskets with these because I do have Bath and Body Works. The Victoria's Secrets, I have a few of those, but I don't have sets. So I'm waiting for those to come in, and those will probably be in my Mother's Day's baskets because they're just not here yet. And literally, I'm getting on here pretty late this evening because I had to work, and both kids had basketball games. So one had basketball game right after the other. So I'm getting in late, and I'm going to get started on at least a goal of getting 5 baskets done tonight. Once I get the 5 baskets done, I'm going to go in and grab something to eat. And then I will edit these videos and get them up so that you all can see the TEMU Amazon haul, as well as a few baskets that I have completed that are actually beautiful. Anyway, I'll get those up tonight. In the meantime, thank you all for tuning in to the Crafty Corner, where you're crafting with Katrina. Be blessed and be a blessing. Have a good night. Bye-bye.